3, 2, 1, mark.
We're counting down now to the T-minus 5-minute mark. We will be holding at that point to clear up the final issues for the count tonight. There are discussions going on about the Master Events Controller, and we're still monitoring weather conditions at Kennedy.
We'll put it in Word.
T-minus 8 minutes, 30 seconds.
NTD ISL. Go ISL. Okay, we're still waiting for flight on 145 for recorder activation. Houston flight NTD, you copy 145.
NTD flight, we're going to hold that activation until we get done with our other commands.
Okay, I copy.
At this time, I'd like to give you the launch target ID, and OMS target ID, and ESM.
T-minus 8 minutes and counting.
Target late pane 42502, and OMS target late pane 42702.
Copy.
And this will constrain our the time at which we can pick up the count in TD, and I'll get back with you on those times.
Yes, sir, understood. And per step Charlie, perform pass target upwind slowdown.
Wilco.
And PLT OTC, configure fuel cell essential bus safe switches. NTD ISL. Go ISL. Yeah, I just want to remind you,
The orbiter access arm is being retracted away from the vehicle, and we can see Commander Brennistein waving out the window.
NTD CTLS. Go JLS. Yes, sir,
This arm can be re-extended in just a few seconds if necessary.
The orbiter access arm retract milestone. Copy that.
OTC, PLP, essential buses are connected to the fuel cells.
Copy that, thank you.
Pilot Chilton flipped switches in the orbiter's crew cabin to directly connect the 3 fuel cells to the essential power buses. Again, we are counting down to the T-minus 5-minute mark. We will not start the APUs, planning on holding at this point.
NTD ISL. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead and have a TLS mask the ops recorder bits if we can. I'm sorry, say again. Okay, we need to have TLS mask the ops recorder motion.
NTD is SB negative. We're going to stop at 5.
Well, the clock will stop at 5 minutes 25 seconds due to ops recorder failure to start.
No, we'll stop at 5.
ISL, it's the count clock.
Houston flight is waiting to send stored programs, which are final updates to the antenna management, until we get closer to launch time tonight. Counting down to hold at the T-minus 5-minute mark here.
NTD flight 212.
Go flight.
The earliest we can pick up the count at T-minus 5 is 23:24:00. We're complete with our launch target uplinks. We are currently no-go for both RTLS and TAL weather.
Copy. And all personnel on 212, the earliest we can pick up the clock now at T-minus 5 minutes would be 23:24. That would put us at 23:29 for T0, which would be the opening of pane 2. Again, we will hold at T-minus 5 minutes, and we are there, holding. Launch window ends at 23:54:07.
We're now at T-minus 5 minutes and holding. Flight controllers have concerns about weather conditions at the transoceanic abort sites and also here at Kennedy Space Center.
SRO NTD-212.
Updates to the orbiter's computers are being made at this time to adjust for engine gimbling and loads on the vehicle during its ascent for part of the flight.
Go ahead. What are the details of your no-go?
Resolution of RTL 367, pre-start.
ATA pre-start is in work.
SPE NTD-212 needs your final clear to launch.
ATA SPE will go.
Copy. IPR 367 is fully cleared. Is that affirmed?
Affirmative.
Copy. Thank you.
It was conducted over the net, in case you missed that.
Copy. And flight NTD-212, your status, please.
OTC PLT APU pre-starts complete, 3-gate touchbacks.
Thank you.
NTD is SPE.
Go SPE.
All right, GLS is cleared up and we're ready to pick up the clock on your mark.
Understood. Houston flight NTD-212.
NTD Flight 212.
Yes, sir. Your status on the weather, please.
Yes, sir. We are working on our last constraint at this time. We expect to have a recommendation momentarily, NTD.
Copy. And launch director NTD-212.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. With APU pre-start complete and SPE final go, we are only waiting for flight go at this time. And yours.
I copy.
The auxiliary power units are configured to start as the count resumes at the T-minus 5-minute mark. Appears everything looks go as far as weather goes, except at the TAL sites, and we're getting updates on that. Team is not working any technical issues at this time.
NTD Flight 212.
Go flight.
At our last weather constraint, we are going to pick up the count as a request. We'd like to pick it up on an even minute if that's possible.
Launch director NTD-212.
Yeah, we copy. Let's check with the management team here, and then you can get GLS all set to go.
Copy.
And I'll conduct the management poll at this time. Engineering director, launch director, 212.
Bob, engineering is go.
Copy. Thank you, Bob. Safety and quality director.
Safety and quality is go, Bob.
Payload operations director.
Payloads is go, Bob.
I copy. Cape weather, launch director.
Launch director, we have no constraints for launch. Steady state wind forecast from 330 degrees at 10 knots, over.
I copy. And ops manager, launch director.
Bob, we have no constraints. It's time to replace the Challenger with a flying machine. Let's launch it.
Copy that. Thank you, sir. And Endeavour, launch director.
Roger, we're ready to go.
Copy that. Well, I hope in a few minutes, Dan, we can cut the mooring lines on this ship and have you and your crew sail out of here. So we'll wish you a good voyage, and we'll see you back at the dock. NTD, you have a go to proceed.
Copy. Thank you. And given the dynamics of the situation, GLS, pick up the count on your mark, please.
Copy.
Standing by momentarily to resume the countdown.
We're going to pick up at 23:35. Stand by.
We'll be resuming the count in about 10 seconds at the T-minus 5-minute mark.
Okay, resume on my mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark.
We're now at T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
CLT OTC, perform APU start.
APU starts in work.
CDR OTC, reconfigure heaters.
Roger, heater reconfig and work.
Pilot Chilton is starting the auxiliary power units, and Commander Brennenstein is reconfiguring the orbiter's heaters for launch.
OTC, APU start is complete. Looks like we got 3 good ones.
Copy that, thank you.
T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
Sequence 4.
A final purge sequence of the main engines is underway. The valves on the engines are being prepared for engine start. At the 1 minute point in the count, an engine ready indication will be given. A profile test of the orbiter's aero surfaces has started. The orbiter flight control surfaces are being moved through a pre-programmed pattern to verify they are ready for launch. The 3 engines are being gimbaled and positioned for launch at this time. We have transferred to internal power. Endeavour is being powered by its onboard fuel cells. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. All systems are go for launch at this time.
LO2 pressurization.
The external tank, liquid oxygen tank, is being pressurized for launch.
OTC, clear caution and warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors.
And OTC, that's in work.
Pilot Chilton is clearing the caution and warning memory system. The gaseous oxygen vent hood is being retracted at this time.
And OTC, caution warning memory clear is complete. No unexpected anomalies.
Thank you.
Flight crew will close and lock their visors. This will happen in the next few minutes.
Lock your visors and initiate O2 flow. Good luck on the maiden voyage of the newest Shuttle Endeavour.
T-minus 2 minutes and counting.
OTC, that's in work.
7-member crew is about to begin their first flight day for mission STS-49. Liquid hydrogen replenishment is being terminated and LH2 pressurization to flight level is underway. Less than 2 minutes away now from the launch of Endeavour. This launch marks the 3rd shuttle flight this year.
One minute, 20 seconds.
And we do have an engine ready indication. Just a few seconds away now from the maiden voyage of Endeavour on a 7-day flight highlighted by the Intelsat satellite rendezvous and 3 spacewalks.
1 minute.
Less than 1 minute away now from the launch of Endeavour. Heaters on the booster joints are being deactivated. T-minus 40 seconds and counting. T-minus 31 seconds.
Auto sequence start.
Endeavour's 4 redundant computers have primary control of critical vehicle functions for the remainder of the count. T-minus 20 seconds. T-minus 15. T-minus 10. We have a go for engine start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of the maiden voyage of Endeavour on a satellite rescue mission.
Roll program, Houston. Roger, roll, Endeavour.
Houston now controlling, roll maneuver complete. Endeavour's in a heads down position on course for a 28.35 degree orbit. Endeavour Endeavour's engines throttling down now as the orbiter passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. Endeavour's now 1 nautical mile from the launch site. Engines now beginning to throttle back up.
Go at throttle up, Endeavour.
Roger, Houston, go at throttle up.
1 minute 15 seconds. All 3 engines now back at 104%. 3 good hydraulic systems and electrical systems aboard Endeavour. Vehicle's now traveling 2,000 feet per second, or about 1,300 miles per hour. Altitude 64,000 feet, downrange from the launch site 8 nautical miles. Standing by for burnout and separation of the solid rocket boosters aboard Endeavour. SRB separation confirmed. Time 2 minutes 20 seconds.